Hi followers, today we'd like to talk to you about undertones. This will better assist you when designing your next bathroom or engaging in your new home renovation. Today we are using Stardust Moon and Milk as examples. When selecting your feature stone slab or feature tile, it's very important to understand the main tile's colour and undertone. For example, take the colour white. Some whites have an undertone of grey and others a warm undertone. It's understanding this component that will better assist you with your design. We're excited to be using our Stardust series for our primary examples today. Firstly, you will find the Stardust Moon with a light undertone, allowing us to bring in the warmth of our tundra marble and balancing back with the undertone of the main component. Moving over to the Stardust Moon, as you can see, it has a grey base with a slightly warm undertone, this allowing us to use the Elba slab, which also has a white base with a warm grey running through this natural stone. This paired together creates consistency throughout your design.